Hey there! In this video, we'll explore the Turnstile catalog. Every time your team builds a quote from scratch, they're re-entering the same products, pricing, and terms, and that repetition is one of the most common sources of quoting errors. The Turnstile catalog solves that. It's a central library where you define your products, billable metrics, terms, and quote templates once, then package them into plans your team can pull into any quote in seconds. To get started, we'll head to Catalog, Product, and select Add Product here. We'll start with our first product, which we'll call Monthly Platform Subscription. You can add a SKU here if you have those for your products. It's optional. And then we can also add a product description. Let's call this for access to the platform. And then this description will appear anywhere you add the product later on. And then one more, let's go ahead and add a monthly API calls product. No SKU, no description for this one. Go ahead and save that. And now both those products will be available to select anywhere in Turnstile on quotes, subscriptions, and invoices. And you can always add more later or create products on the fly directly from a quote. Next up, we'll take a look at the billable metrics section of the catalog. If any of your products are usage-based, you'll need to use billable metrics. A billable metric is what Turnstile uses to track consumption and calculate usage charges. So you'll click Add Billable Metric. We'll name this one API Call, and we'll also give the unit name the same title. You'd set an event key if you're going to record usage via the API, but we're going to record usage manually for this metric, so we'll go ahead and create it. Once the billable metric exists in the catalog, it's available to link to any usage-based product when you're configuring pricing on a plan or quote. Next up is terms. Go to the terms section of the catalog and click Add Term. We'll name this one Standard Term and then paste in our content and click Save Changes. These terms are now available and can be included on any quote template. A quote template controls the layout and content of the customer-facing quote document. Every plan requires one, so let's set one up now. Click Add Quote Template, and we'll call this Standard Template. And then we'll use the Add Block button to build out the content. So this is where we'll pull in the terms that we just created. So terms, standard terms, those get added to the quote template, and then we'll publish it. Once the quote template is published, you can choose the default quote template that you'd like to use in your account by selecting the three dots here and selecting Set as Default. Now that our products, billable metrics, terms, and quote template are in place, we can bring it all together with a plan by going to Catalog, Plans, and clicking Add Plan. We'll name this the Professional Plan, and then we'll select the standard template for the quote, and then we'll click Add Products and Services to add our monthly platform subscription and our API calls. You can reorder items here by dragging and dropping, and this will become the default ordering on any quote generated from this plan. Next, we'll click into the Pricing tab and select a pricing type for each product. We've selected flat fee for the monthly platform subscription at $1,200 per month. And we've selected unit pricing here to give the API calls a usage-based pricing, which we've set at 4 cents per the API call metric that we set earlier in the billable metrics section. Next, go to the Billing Details tab and we'll set the billing frequency. For this plan, we're going to select monthly, and when everything looks right, click Publish. Here we are on a new quote. You'll see that the professional plan is now available in the plan selector. With your catalog set up, your team's not starting from zero. Every quote begins from a consistent, pre-approved foundation, which means faster quoting, fewer errors, and more predictable experiences for your customers. For more information or to get in touch with our team, visit turnstile.ai.